Hey guys, I want to talk about footwear after total knee replacement. I know this is a super controversial topic. Every time I share a video that shows somebody wearing slides or sandals or flip-flops within the first month or two after a total knee replacement, the comments light up. Everybody wants that person to wear more supportive footwear, wear closed-toed shoes. Everybody's got their own opinion and their own advice. Now, for context, I am a physical therapist. I came out of the mindset, the camp of let's support the foot, let's wear, expensive shoes. I would do the orthotic fitting. I would use the foam. If you guys know the foam box, and you press the foot in, you make a mold, you create the orthotic. I love biomechanics. My background was in kinesiology, movement science, and biomechanics. So I get the desire to build a stable platform under the foot to support the rest of the body up the chain. But the reality is that's not the world we live in. That is kind of a fantasy, robotic world. So the world we live in is when I evaluate a new patient coming into the clinic, the first thing I ask them is, at home, what are you wearing on your feet? Do you have shoes? Do you not have shoes? What would you wear when you go out into the community? And after a total knee replacement surgery, there are certainly patients who are dealing with swelling, who are dealing with some seepage. Some patients will have bleeding. And it's just so much easier for them to put on slides, to put on Crocs, to put on a shoe, a clog that can slip on and off, can allow the foot to swell and expand. So I would rather treat and train a patient wearing what they're gonna wear than forcing a patient to wear a shoe that they're not gonna wear other than when they come to physical therapy. That's why you'll see patients literally 24 hours post-op coming into my physical therapy clinic, walking with a walker and wearing slides or sandals or Crocs or anything like that. I would rather have somebody, if they have spinal stenosis, if they have maybe a history of a hip replacement and they can't get down to reach the foot, the shoe, to tie the laces, to get it on their foot. I just want them to be comfortable, and we can train around it. Yes, there are some people who absolutely need a more supportive shoe, but there are a lot of people who would do fine with what they have. And if my client is somebody who's going to be barefoot around the house anyway, I would rather see how they're going to move and how they're going to function in real life than artificially put them in a shoe that they're never going to wear except when they're coming to therapy because the therapist said you have to wear a closed-toed shoe. So let me hear from you guys. What did your therapist say? Did your therapist expect you to wear a shoe during physical therapy? And what did you do when you got home? Did you take the shoe off? Did you keep the shoe on? I'd love to hear it. Let me know in the comments.